Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, coming to you to show you a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard boat. It's a beautiful Sea Ray blue hull, gray sea deck flooring. On the swim platform, it's got an upgraded motor. This is a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. The boat runs fantastic with this power package. Let's hop aboard. You can see on the port side, we got a 4-rung ladder. It's nice because most manufacturers only give you 3 rungs. We've got 4 rungs, so it goes down deeper into the water so you can easily get in and out of the boat. As we come through, you can see that it's got the stone interior, which is gray, with a nice black accent panel. Ski tow bar, which goes above the motor so you can do your water sports with your family. Coming in. Well, it's got the port side lounger here with the captain's chair. So what's really nice about this is you can fit 2 across here, or you can lounge, or this comes out, store under this seat, so you have a forward-facing seat there. Under the seat in the transom here, we got a built-in insulated cooler. Also comes with a small igloo cooler underneath the transom on the port side walkthrough of the boat. Boat's also equipped with blue LED lighting packages in the cup holder and under the seats, so it looks really nice at night when you're boating. Also has a 7-inch Simrad GPS and fish finder screen, so it's flush with the dash. Looks very modern, sophisticated, really nice luxury day boat. Fusion stereo system with Fusion speakers, of course Bluetooth connectivity. And if you look up, we've got a large bimini top in black, contrasts nicely with the black motor and the blue hull. Up in the bow, you can see here that we got a subwoofer. It's got an upgraded sound system. The boat sounds fantastic. Connect your music and listen to it out on the water. We also have nice full seating here for 2 adults, and integrated anchor locker in the bow of the boat. Again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard located at MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Give me, Justin, a call, 954-633-2070.